In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect a PS5 controller from Bluetooth. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But normally you'd connect or disconnect a PS5 controller using a USB-C cable, but if you don't have one available, you can actually do everything directly through Bluetooth. Essentially, just turn on that PS5 and then go up to your settings up in the top right corner. From here, just scroll down though until you see the accessories option and open it up. Next, go ahead and choose general and then go ahead and choose Bluetooth and accessories or Bluetooth accessories. And under the accessories section, you'll see your DualSense wireless controller listed. To simply disconnect it, go ahead and just select the controller and then select disconnect, or you can go ahead and select forget, which usually and fully unpairs it from the console. If you ever want to reconnect the controller, all you need to do is just hold down the PlayStation button and the share button on that controller at the exact same time until the light starts flashing blue, and whenever it's flashing blue, it's going to once again appear in this Bluetooth menu. Just select that and then you'll be good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.